In this video, I'll show you how to combine videos on iPhone. Okay, so to do this, we are going to need an external app. Now you can use CapCut, you can also use iMovie. So if you just go to the App Store, I will just download iMovie. It is very simple to use. So just type in here iMovie and you will find it. It should come up. Here you can see iMovie. This is the Apple video editor. So go ahead and download it if it isn't downloaded already. Once you've got that downloaded, open up the app. And here you can go ahead and continue through the setup. You're going to need to give it permission to your gallery, so you can allow access or you can limit access and only upload or give permission to photos you want to share. Once you've done that, we're going to click on the movie setting. Then it's going to open up your camera roll, and I just happen to have two videos of tutorials which I'm going to combine. So click on the two videos you want to combine. As you can see at the bottom, two items. Click create movie then at the bottom. It's then going to add your two videos. So we can pinch here in and out and zoom in and out. Now here you can see we've got the first video and we've also got the secondary video here. If I wanted to move these around, I could hold down on the video and I could move them. As you can see, we've changed the position of these two videos. So they're essentially merged. Now we can go ahead and change other things like the dimensions and things like that. But just for this simple video, that is how you can merge two clips together.